number one, make sure she doesn't eat any processed or packaged foods. The toxic seed oils like canola oil and the most of the seed oils are dangerous and toxic, but the processed foods are what cause the body to form these tumors and cysts. And I can't tell you how many people with polycystic ovary syndrome, uterine fibroids, they change the diet and they start to shrink. So once you get the diet change, then look at the pelvic stability. Okay, if then we gave your wife, I'm sure, a trochanter support to stabilize the pelvis. Make sure she's doing the lumbar health videos. Like we always give a white foam piece to turn sitting into therapy. So getting the healthy nerve supply and watch her sleep patterns, that's going to be ideal. So she's sleeping through the night. She's got a good, healthy diet, no toxic hormones, no processed foods. Then we got to change the sleep patterns. And we teach every patient the sleep restriction therapy. Fantastic. And then we talk about changing the emotional health through neurolinguistic programming. Now let's look at the uterus. Start putting moist heat right above you'll feel a bone right in the middle there. The uterus is right above that bone. So putting moist heat on there for at least 5 to 10 minutes, a couple of times a day, that's going to trigger macrophage activity. And that literally these cells, macro means big, phage means eater. So they're big cells that chew up abnormally placed proteins. And since the body forms fibroids, the body forms tumors and cysts, as long as you eliminate the toxic environmental exposure, then the body is going to want to break those down because the body forms those fibroids in order to wall off toxins to protect the body. Also, look at anything she puts on her skin. If you put skin creams, makeups, all of these different chemicals on the skin, if you can't eat it, don't put it on the skin. Skin is fantastically absorbing, and there's a ton of hormones in makeup and skin creams and things that we don't even think about. But as long as she changes her diet, changes her sleep patterns, stabilizes the pelvis, utilizing the trochanter support, and doing the moist heat, like a hot water bottle wrapped in a wet towel, is fantastic. And this will actually make her feel better. And then also, next time you're back in the office, let's do a live blood cell analysis. Let's check the status of her blood. But, and she will heal. God bless you, brother.